Welcome to my channel. I'm back again with another Plan With Me video, and today I'm setting up my bullet journal for August 2021. Staying at home all day makes me feel isolated and I need a fresh start for the month. Now grab your notebook, pens, maybe some snacks, and let's jump right into the planning. For my August theme, I had a couple of ideas swirling around in my head, but finally I decided to go with the daisy theme, which is very summery and easy for beginners. For the cover page, I'm starting by drawing a big letter A for August because I just want it as simple as possible. Now I'm adding purple watercolor for the background. I kinda messed up a little bit, but it's alright. It doesn't have to be nice and clean. Instead, I wanted to have a natural vintage look. And just so you know, daisies are most often used to symbolize purity and innocence. This symbolism stems from a Celtic legend in which God would sprinkle daisies over the earth to cheer up parents who had lost a child. Daisies can also be used to symbolize beauty, love, along with motherhood, childbirth, and new beginnings. Because daisies close at night and then reopen during the day, they can also be used to symbolize a good night's sleep. If you've ever heard the phrase, fresh as a daisy, this symbolism probably makes a lot of sense. When the background is all dry, I add some yellow horizontal lines, as if the sun is hitting the flowers. As you can see here, I'm using colored brush pens for the daisies. You can check out all the supplies that I used for my setup in the description of the video. Flipping to the next spread, it is the monthly calendar. This month I just want to keep it a little simpler, so I decided to do the calendar on one page instead of two. I also draw some daisies here to make the spread feel more alive. On the left side, as you can see, I cut out a piece of paper and glue it to my notebook. I use this page to write down important days of the month to make sure that I won't forget anything. And then I decorate it with some washi tape. Oh hi baby. Sorry about my cat. She's always jumping on my desk while I'm working. And here I am struggling with a little sticker because my nails are way too long. Well, this page doesn't look like how I planned, but I'm quite happy with how it turned out. Moving on to the next spread, which is my mood tracker. At first, I did a minimal circle tracker, but after that, I changed my mind and turned it into this big daisy, and each petal is a day of the month. I'm so glad that I changed it because it looks much better now.
Imagine, if you will, sitting down to your morning coffee, turning on your home computer to read the day's newspaper. Well, it's not as far-fetched as it may seem. In fact, both local San Francisco papers are investing a lot of money to try and get a service just like that started. Science editor Steve Newman reports on one person already using the brand new system.
Past trauma still haunting my dreams. Probably cause the perfect picture I painted of life was serene. Penned a letter, corrected every punctuation error. Panoramic views looking more paranormal than ever. Interstellar fantasies on my painkillers to pacify parodies of life. I write passages of light, a paradise of charity and love. Some say it's passe. Hate paralyzed on my food for thought on some pancakes. Till the pan breaks, particles of passion praying for peace. The world promised American pie, I've yet to get a piece. Patience a virtue, they told me. Am I being penalized for the old me? God showed me the path to phenomenon. Slice of life, give me 2 extra parmesan. Perseverance, I promise my mama less pain. Penmanship, puzzling minds, perception never change. Traumatized from past battles.
For the last page, it's gonna be a weekly spread. I have my daisy stamp and a cute sticker for decoration. Now it's time for the final flip through. At first, I was so worried about doing this Plan With Me video after I took a break from bullet journaling. But now I'm so pleased that I took my time filming this. and I'm quite happy with the result.
I sacrifice sadness for sacred songs, seeking salvation. Never knew it would take this long. Man, singing of savory scenery while they scrutinize self-will, but my scenarios are utilized when I serenade serene sentences with skill. Got a sixth sense.
Well, I hope you enjoyed my setup, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.